Well, nearly 4 years after the devastating murder of her son, a grieving mother continues to carry the weight of deep heartbreak while refusing to let his story fade and continuing to fight for the justice they believe Rayvonta Deas deserves. News 4's Emily Dean spoke with the family. And Emily, what is the family asking for?
Tessa, now there is a measure of accountability. One of the 3 individuals charged in his death has been sentenced to life in prison for his role in the killing. But for this mother and her family, the fight is far from over.
Yes, my son wasn't a perfect child, but he didn't deserve this.
Court documents show on July 6th of 2022, Rayvonta Deas was shot in the head by Jarrell McMillan before being maimed with a machete and doused with gasoline and burned. This happened at an abandoned lot on Black Tom Road in Moncks Corner.
I just want peace, and I just want justice by the court.
McMillan was convicted earlier this month of murder as well as desecration of human remains, possession of a weapon during the commission of a violent crime, assault and battery of a high and aggravated nature, and third-degree arson. He was sentenced to life in prison.
The whole time I sat back, I was quiet about the whole situation because I wanted to be dealt fine. I didn't want it to become something big. I didn't want it to become that people get threatened. I didn't want it to become about color. I wanted the system to do their jobs, the correct job.
Court documents allege 2 other men, Elijah Wolpel and Cooper Hawkins, helped McMillan on the night of the murder. Hawkins was indicted for murder and destroying human remains and remains in jail after being denied bond. Elijah Wolpel was accused of assisting McMillan in moving the body and using gasoline to set it on fire. He has been out on a $300,000 bond since September of 2022.
I'm not asking for a life sentence because Jarrell is the one who actually killed him, but there was a part of it. You understand? I say they deserve some time.
The family of Rayvonta Deas chose to speak out as they push for convictions of the 2 other men involved in his death because they say the court is not listening to their family's wishes for justice. We asked the solicitor's office for comment, but were told they do not comment on pending cases. No further proceedings have been scheduled yet for Hawkins or Wolpel, but we'll continue to follow this case on air and online. Emily Dean, News 4.